Probably you hear because of Microsoft is forcing you to connect to the internet to set up Windows 11. And in this video, I will show you every working method to bypass Microsoft account and set up a local account. Why this method is important? You don't need Microsoft to collect everything about you during the installation process. What you need to do first is just to choose your country or region if you haven't already and select the right keyboard layout. Then okay. Now you need to be on the screen where it's asking you to connect a network. If you have already reached this step and you are connecting to a network, you can still disable your internet. If your device has an airplane mode button, simply switch it on. If you are using a network cable, just unplug it. Alternatively, you can turn off your router to cut the connection. Next, hold on the power button on your computer for 10 seconds to turn it off, then turn it back on, and you should see a screen saying you are not connecting to a network. At the screen, press two keys together. Hold the Shift key. At the same time, press F10. This will open a lock screen window like the one you see here on the screen. As I mentioned before, some computers just raising Shift and F10 won't work. Look at your keyboard. If you have a function or fan button, hold this as well. If you want to hold Shift and function, then press F10. And if you still can't see the command prompt, don't worry, I have got another method for you later in this video that should help. But for now, let's assume you can see this black screen. Just click inside and type command OPE backslash bypass NRO, and there are no spaces in there. Then press enter on your keyboard and now your computer will restart. And after a short period of time, you will be taken to the country screen again and choose your country here, then choose your keyboard. And now this time you will see something we didn't see before. I don't have internet. You need to click on this and then you need to click on continue with limited setup, and this is what we want. You can just type your name in here and it leads you to set a local account. Then it's up to you whether you want a password. I don't need a password on this computer, so I'm going to leave it blank, and that's pretty much it. Just you need to select your privacy and click on no for everything. Everything click on no because you don't want Microsoft to collect anything after the installation process. Now just wait while your PC finishes setting up and let's move to another scenario. In case that didn't work for you, I have got another couple of methods. Hopefully that will work. Let's move to the point where it's asking me to connect to network. Now I'm going to press Control+Shift+Escape. You need to hold Control and Shift together and at the same time press Escape, and you should see this screen which is Task Manager. If that doesn't work, you can also try pressing Shift F10 or in some cases function Shift F10. If it didn't work for you before, it probably won't now, but I just wanted to give you as many options as I can. You would need to type task mgr and then press enter on your keyboard, so one way or another you have hopefully got this task manager window in front of you. Now look through this list until you find a line that says network connection flow. Click on this line, then click the end task button which is at the top, and now you just need to press the X to close the task manager. And if this is going to work, this computer should let you set it up without internet at this point. And that's it. I tried to cover all methods as much as I can. I hope you find this was useful.